Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Keep watching so you can see how my salon visit went today, and let me know what you think below.
That's good.
I found Janine on Instagram while I was searching, and I fell in love with her work. So I'm gonna go ahead and link her Instagram below. So I usually don't get silk presses too much. I might flat iron my own hair once or twice a year, but for the most part, I'm usually wearing my hair in a 2-strand twist and I have it natural. But I kind of wanted to do something a little different and, you know, just get my ends trimmed, or I guess it kind of turned into a haircut, and have it a little different when I went home today. We are traveling to Colorado Springs later on this evening. And just so you know, I did tell her it was okay to trim as much as she did. Health is way more important to me than length. But health. Pick health over length. Do not be afraid of trimming your hair, because as time goes on, your hair will grow in more fuller, more healthy, and it'll have a lot of bounce. If you can't tell with how much I'm swinging my hair. So when I woke up this morning, I still had to detangle my hair because I was previously wearing a 2-strand twist. So went ahead, you know, took my hair in sections, started to detangle, and then I just felt like my hair needed a little bit of moisture before going to the salon. So I thought, you know, I have a little bit of this coconut oil, and since we're traveling today, let me just use it up. That way it'll help make our bags lighter while we're traveling. So I took the rest of the coconut oil, which, I mean, it was a good amount, and I started just lathering my hair section by section. This was probably, what, 2 hours before my appointment, and, you know, I thought I was helping out. I thought it would help my hair during the visit and just come out, you know, more luscious and with more body. Well, she knew that there was something in my hair, because we were in that wash bowl for probably a good, I don't know, 20-30 minutes. I mean, wash after wash after wash after wash after wash. But it was so worth it, and clearly she knew what she was doing, and she could tell that my hair needed a really, really good clean. So when I got there, they were very friendly. The owner was at the front desk to greet me, as well as Janine off to the side. So we immediately went back to the wash bowl, and like I said, took a little bit of time washing my hair, getting this clean, and then sat me under the dryer, and then went over to her station, and she started to blow dry my hair out. And then after that, she was taking it section by section, and she was using a pressing comb as well as flat ironing it, just to make sure that, you know, the roots are straight. And then after that, I let her know that I did want to trim, and she said, well, what kind of trim do you want? So said, I want the trim where I just want the healthy ends, and I want it to be very bouncy and have a lot of body. My concern is health over length. She said, say no more. I got you. So as you saw in the footage previously, she asked me probably like 2 times, like, are you sure you want me to cut it here? Are you sure? Yes, I am sure. That is where I'm okay with it being cut, because obviously it needed it. So she, you know, trimmed my hair section by section, and then when she was going through kind of seeing if the other layers of it needed to be trimmed as well, she said that that was in really good condition and she didn't really have to trim anything else. And then she went through and put curls in it to add the body, wrapped me up, and then put me back under the dryer to seal the ends. And then it was maybe about 15 or so minutes. And then after that, she did the grand reveal, and I was super, super pleased. I just love it. I just feel so much lighter, and I just feel good. Like, there's no better feeling than going to the salon and, you know, getting your scalp massage, getting a cut, and then just feeling so great after. But yeah, I'm super pleased. She will definitely be my hairstylist in San Antonio when I come back, and I would really appreciate if you guys would check out her Instagram. Hit her up if you live in San Antonio or if you're ever visiting. I know she would really, really appreciate it. and you will have the best time. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got my hair like this today after the salon, keep watching. And just a little tip for all of you, do not wash your hair. Alright, so this morning when I woke up, I did not detangle my hair yet. And obviously I'm gonna cut this out.